Hello kids, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn more about parts of plant, and this topic is taken from your EVS textbook. Children, do you know one thing about plants? Plants are very similar to human. Just like human have different body parts doing different things. Similarly, plants also have different parts of different function. Let me tell you important parts of plant. The main parts of plant include roots, stem, leaves and flowers. Fruits. Children, look at this picture carefully. Here, this is the leaves, flower, fruit, stem and roots. Leaf, flower, fruit, stem, roots. These all are important parts of plant. Now children, this is roots. Roots are the most important and underground part of a plant, which are collectively called the root system. They are the major part that anchors the plant firmly in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. Children, what do roots do? Do you know? Children, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Children, as a human beings, we are eating some roots, just like beetroot, carrot, turnip, radish. These all are examples of roots. Whatever we as a human being are used to eat. Now, next part of the plant, buds and flowers on stem. Now here, let's take a closer look to a bird. Children, here you can easily see picture of bird. Bird, they protect a baby flower or leaf from the harmful elements of nature. Children, flowers are the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Now here, bird turns into a flower. Now children, as I told you, flowers are the most attractive part of a plant and they can attract harmful elements of nature. So, bird, they protect a baby flower from the harmful elements which are present in the nature. Now here children, you can easily see flowers turn into fruits. Here this is the picture of pomegranate. You can easily observe how a pomegranate flower turns into a pomegranate. Children, name these flowers that you can eat, like cauliflower and broccoli. Children, now tell me which part of plant you can see here. So, yes, good. Here you can easily see leaf and stem. Okay. So children, leaves. Leaf is one of the most important part of the plant. It has a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and makes food for the plant. Now children, as a human being, we are eating some leaves also, like coriander, spinach, mint, cabbage, curry leaves. These are the example of leaves. Now here, children, this is the picture of stem. A stem look like pillar of a plant. It hold a plant upright and carry water, food and minerals to the part of plant. Now here is the example of some stems: sugarcane, potato and ginger. Now children, what do we get from plant? Yes, your answer is correct. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Now children, this is pineapple. A fruit is a part of plant that contains ashes, food and seeds. All fruit may not be sweet and edible, but still it's a fruit. What do fruits have inside them? Do you know, children? Yes, fruits help us to be healthy, and fruits have seeds inside them. Here are the examples. Seeds we eat: corn, beans, peas, pomegranate, pulses, cereals and nuts. Now children, the main two important parts of plant is root system and shoot system. Here you can easily see in this picture, root system usually grows under the ground, while shoot usually grows above the ground. The shoot has different parts called stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Children, do you know what do plants give us? Children, plants give us many things. For example, shade, rubber, oxygen, cotton and jute, rubber, medicines, wood for furniture, wood for paper, oil, food, bamboo products, etc. So children, that's all are for today, and these all are function of plants. Bye bye children. Thank you.